Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will learn how to remove iPhone unavailable error. Guys, if your phone has stuck on iPhone unavailable error due to repeated again and again wrong password, you have forgotten your password and trying wrong password, that's why your phone has stuck on iPhone unavailable. I will tell you step by step how you can remove this error. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, you have to need another phone to fix this problem. It can be Android phone or iPhone. In my case, I will use my second Android phone to fix this iPhone unavailable problem. So let's start the video. Guys, you have to open your phone browser first and simply type iCloud.com here and click on iCloud. It will show a screen like that. Click on sign in. Guys, sign in the same Apple ID that was signed in on the phone, which password you have forgotten and stuck on iPhone unavailable error. So I am signing here the same Apple ID that was signed in on by this phone, which has stuck on iPhone unavailable error. Click on find devices. Guys, you can see it is showing the list of devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID. Select your device which password you have forgotten and click on erase iPhone. Click on continue. Enter the Apple ID password to erase iPhone. Guys, it is asking for two-factor authentication. Please provide your verification code here. Guys, this screen is optional. You do not have to put anything in this screen. Just simply click on next. Click on done. Erase started. Wait for a few seconds until your erase is being started. As you can see, your phone has been starting and wait for a few seconds. You just simply remove from this account. It will help you while set up this phone. Enter the Apple ID password here for remove from this device. Guys, I have removed from this phone, so there is no further need of this phone. Wait for a few seconds until your erase completed. Guys, here we are. As you can see, your phone has restarted, erased completely, and it is not stuck on iPhone unavailable. So I will set up this phone. Simply set up your phone step by step. Select your language, select your country or region. Click on setup manually. Continue. Connect your device with a Wi-Fi network. You have to connect with a Wi-Fi network. It will help you your phone setup. Guys, I am connected with a Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. I will speed up all this process for not wasting your time. Welcome to iPhone. Get started. Your phone has erased completely. It has restored completely without any computer or password, and you can see it is not stuck on iPhone unavailable. So, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.